Dear friends, welcome to this video presentation. Before even I share the purpose of this video presentation, I seek to understand three things from you. 1. What are the first tool towards war against waste or the war model? Second, if you want to learn anything, which methodology is the most effective one? Reading, writing, listening, or doing? Third, which is the time you think is good time for learning the 5S? Is 5 minutes okay with you? I'm sure you'll say, yes, 5 minutes is okay. Well, I'm going to cover this in 5 aspects. Number 1, the 5S, names in different languages, say Japanese, English, Gujarati and Hindi. Number 2, the action details of 5S and benefits. Number 3, demonstrating the 5S through actions. And number 4, the benefits thereof. And in the last, number 5, remembering the 5S through very easy to understand benchmarks which have been converted into Gujarati or Hindi language. Normally I call it as di, dade, dade. Well, if you look at this slide, this explains the names in various languages. In Japanese, Siri, Siton, Siso, Seketsu, Chitsuke, and that has been translated in English as sorting, set in order, shining, standardize and sustain. Other language you can refer. Well, let's look at the details of 5S actions and key benefits. The first is sorting. Means thing which you require, you keep, you do not require, dispose it off. The biggest benefit of sorting is you generate space, and you can understand the space means land, and land is how much cost to the company. 2S means set in order. Set in order, the punch line is, or punch action is keep, place for everything, everything is place. Place for everything, everything is place. The key benefit of 2S is reduce, search and select. Believe me, in working, people sometimes spend 1 or 2 hours in a day in searching and selecting. 3S is shining. The key actions are clean as good as outside garden and inside temple. What are the key benefits? For people, they will have high morale of working. I'm sure when we visit the temple, we feel very good. Why? Because of the cleanliness, and cleanliness is holiness. The benefits to the machines is a small powder can jam a machine and therefore lot of breakdown, and you can understand how much repairs and spare cost we can save by doing 3S, that is shining. The 4th S is very, very important. That is, I call it as a Guru S. That is, why it is Guru? Guru Govindo khade kaanke lagu paaye, Guru balihari aapne Govindio bataye. Standards means consistent, means reduced gap. What is the mother of reduced gap? Written is understood. If you write and communicate in a writing mode, I am sure people will have same understanding and therefore consistency is achieved. Now this 4S will relate to 4 S's of all the S's. That is 1S sorting. Typical example is having the disposal procedure and setting the min-max. 2S standards typically are label, signages and yellow marking. The 3S standards are schedules of cleaning you often see in various hotels, airports and sometimes in hospital. Okay, the 4S is standardized, is very, very important because it helps you maintaining all the S's. Coming to the 5th S, sustain. What are the actions? Audit, award, training. Audit, award, training. why these actions are required to maintain and to sustain or to form the habit. Any process where you want to motivate people, the measurement is first motivation, therefore audit, and then if it is good, award, if it is not good, train them. In short, if I describe these 5 S's through actions: sorting, thing which you require you keep, you do not require, dispose it off. 2S, place for everything, everything is place. 3S, shining, outside garden, inside temple. 4S, written is understood. Written is understood. 5th S, audit, award, training. Audit, award, training. Now dear friends, I request you to speak along with me. I will be on mute mode doing actions on 5S. You will be speaking. Well, now we can go to the mirror and repeat the same thing. The key benefits are again summarized on these slides. In the last, I want to share how to remember these 5S. There are very common examples we see for all these 5S's. First, sorting, Deepavali. 2S, medical shop, that is dawa ki dukan. 3S, Devalaya, that is temple. 4th S, Dastavez, where you can see in airport and railway station or a bus station. 5th S, sustain or dainik adat, the brushing by any person. Therefore, these 5S can also be called as 5D. In short, if you want to remember the, dade, dade. The, Deepavali, de, dawa ki dukan, de, Devalaya, de, Dastavez, de,